Your car is acting up again, and the repair shop quotes you $250 for a fix. What if I told you that same problem could be solved with something sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now? That's exactly what happened to me last month. I've compiled 10 genius car hacks using everyday household items that mechanics don't want you to discover. These simple solutions address everything from foggy windows to small dents without expensive tools or professional help. The hack at number 5 literally saved me from calling roadside assistance during a snowstorm. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 1, restore cloudy headlights with toothpaste. Have you ever pulled into your driveway at night and noticed your headlights look like they're covered in a murky yellow film? That foggy appearance isn't just an eyesore, it's actually dangerous. Those cloudy headlights can reduce your nighttime visibility by up to 50%, putting you at serious risk. When you take your car to a mechanic, they'll typically recommend an expensive restoration kit or even suggest replacing the entire headlight assembly for $150 or more. But here's what they don't tell you. Regular whitening toothpaste works just as well. The secret is in the mild abrasives found in toothpaste, particularly the silica. This compound acts as a polishing agent that removes the oxidized layer without damaging the plastic underneath. Simply apply a small amount to a damp cloth, rub it onto your headlights in circular motions for about 5 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with water. Number 2, sock and cat litter trick prevents foggy windows. If you've ever sat in your car on a cold morning watching the clock tick while waiting for foggy windows to clear, this next hack is for you. It's especially frustrating when you're already running late for work. Auto shops love selling those specialized moisture absorbers for $15 to $30, claiming they're the only way to prevent window condensation. What they don't mention is that regular cat litter contains the exact same material as those expensive products, crystallized silica. Here's how to create your own moisture absorber. Take a clean sock, fill it with fresh unscented cat litter, tie it off securely, and place it on your dashboard overnight. The cat litter absorbs excess moisture in the air before it can condense on your windows. Number 3, small windshield chips. Fixed with clear nail polish. You know that small rock chip in your windshield? It might seem harmless now, but mechanics know it's a ticking time bomb that could spread into a crack requiring complete replacement. The secret is in the nitrocellulose compound found in nail polish. It creates a hard, transparent seal when dry, much like professional windshield repair products. For chips smaller than a quarter, clean and dry the damaged area thoroughly, then carefully fill the chip with clear nail polish. Apply multiple layers, allowing each to dry completely. This $2 solution isn't permanent, but it can save you hundreds in emergency windshield replacement. Number 4, transform shoe organizers into ultimate car storage. Car dealerships and auto stores push those specialized backseat organizers for $30 to $60, insisting you need their overpriced accessories. What they don't mention is that a basic over-the-door shoe organizer from the dollar store creates an even better solution for a fraction of the price. Just cut the shoe organizer to fit your seats, attach it using the existing hooks or small carabiners, and you're set. The clear plastic pockets hold everything from tablets and coloring books to snacks and small toys, all visible and within easy reach. This $5 to $10 hack actually provides more storage capacity than most commercial organizers, costing 5 times as much, and you can easily remove it for cleaning when needed. Number 5, fix small dents with a household plunger. We've all experienced that sinking feeling when you spot a new dent in your car door. Those minor dings happen to everyone, but most of us assume they require a trip to the body shop. What mechanics don't tell you is that auto shops charge $100 to $200 for small dent repairs using specialized suction tools that work exactly like a bathroom plunger. That's right, the cup-style plunger in your bathroom creates the same vacuum seal professional dent pullers use. For shallow dents on flat surfaces, just splash water on both the dent and plunger cup. Position the plunger directly over the damaged area, push firmly to create a seal, then pull straight outward with quick movements. While this won't work on creased dents or those near edges, this zero-cost hack can fix many common dents. Number 6, key fob range extension through body heat. You're walking through a packed mall parking lot, clicking your key fob repeatedly with no response until you're practically touching your car. Frustrating, right? Car dealerships love to suggest replacing your entire key fob for $150 to $300 when this happens, but they rarely mention that cold weather is often the real culprit. The lithium batteries in key fobs lose significant power in low temperatures, but there's a simple fix. Next time your fob seems weak, especially during winter, try holding it against your neck or under your chin before pressing the button. Your body heat temporarily increases the battery's output. This temperature boost can extend your key fob's range by up to 20 feet, making vehicle location much easier. Number 7. Prevent frozen door seals with cooking spray. Ever tried to open your car door on a freezing winter morning only to find it completely stuck shut? It's not just annoying, it can make you late for work or leave you stranded in a parking lot. Auto parts stores sell those specialized freeze prevention products for $8 to $15, claiming they're the only solution. What mechanics don't tell you is that these products are basically just silicone oils in fancy packaging. Before winter hits, spray some cooking oil on a clean cloth and wipe it along all the rubber seals around your doors and windows. The thin layer of oil creates a moisture barrier that prevents water from seeping into the rubber and freezing. This $3 solution not only prevents freezing but also conditions the seals, preventing the cracking that leads to expensive replacements. Number 8. Rubber band phone mount for any vehicle. Car stores sell those specialized phone holders for $15 to $40, but let's be honest, many of them block your air vents, obstruct your view, or simply fall off when you hit a bump. There's a ridiculously simple solution. Grab a thick rubber band, the kind that comes around broccoli or office supplies. Loop it through the horizontal slats of your air vent, twist it in the middle to create a figure 8, then slip your phone into the resulting pocket. Your phone sits perfectly at eye level, and you can easily adjust its position by moving the rubber band to different vent slats. The air from the vent even helps prevent your phone from overheating during navigation. Number 9. DIY essential oil air freshener for pennies. That new car smell doesn't last forever, and soon enough, you're spending $5 to $7 every month on those commercial air fresheners. Auto parts stores push their premium options for up to $15, claiming they're worth the extra money. What they don't tell you is these products often contain synthetic fragrances that can cause headaches and breathing problems. Your solution is sitting in your bathroom cabinet and kitchen drawer. Take a wooden clothespin and add 5 to 7 drops of essential oil. Let it absorb for a few minutes, then clip it onto your air vent. When you turn on your air, the scent distributes throughout your car naturally. Number 10. Anti-glare screen hack with tinted sheet. Dealerships love selling those specialized anti-glare screen protectors for $30 to $50, claiming they're uniquely designed for automotive use. The truth, they're essentially the same as any standard tinted screen protector. The fix is simple. Grab a sheet of tinted screen protector material from any office supply store, measure your dashboard screen, and cut it slightly larger than needed. Clean your screen thoroughly, then apply the sheet using a credit card to push out bubbles. This $8 to $10 solution reduces glare by up to 70% without affecting touch sensitivity, making your screen visible even in direct sunlight. It also protects against scratches and fingerprints, potentially saving hundreds in screen repair costs. As we've seen, these 10 household hacks prove that effective car care doesn't require expensive specialty products or professional help. That toothpaste trick alone could save you over $100 on headlight restoration, while the cat litter sock costs a fraction of commercial dehumidifiers. By repurposing items you already have at home, you can solve everyday car problems while saving hundreds in unnecessary service fees and overpriced automotive products. These solutions not only improve your driving experience, but also help you keep more money in your wallet. Did you know which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.